Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. For the past few weeks, I was a little busy with my DHA exam and getting my license activated. So many of you must already be knowing it, that I have shifted my base from Bangalore to Dubai. And here the exam patterns and everything, I was just soaking in. I was giving my exams, getting my license ready and everything. So I couldn't post regarding that. But during this whole time, I understood that there's no video where we can completely understand step by step how to proceed, what all exams to give, how to prepare, which are the different steps for the license activation and everything. So I thought I'll create a video series on this so that people who are willing to relocate to Dubai, they'll understand how is the whole process. So in today's video and few of the upcoming my videos, I will be sharing my whole journey of how the exam went, how was it, and everything in detail about it. I hope you like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and share it with at least 3 more dentists so that they will benefit from the videos which we are creating our time. Thank you so much in advance for doing it. So the UAE has 3 different exams. It has DHA exam, which we will be focusing in this video. And there are 2 other exams, which is HAB and MOH, which are for other emirates. If you are planning to work in Dubai, then you have to give the DHA exam, Dubai Health Authority exam. Now, this whole process of everything, the step by step, I will be telling from a general dentist standpoint. Okay, so let's start. The whole process, it requires 3 major steps. One is the data flow. Second is the Dubai Health Authority exam, DHA exam. And third is activating your license. I will be telling each and every step in detail. So let's start from scratch. First thing we have to do is we have to go to the DHA website. So I will be sharing my video so that you guys can see what I'm doing, how to go about it. But before going into that, I forgot to mention one of the most important thing, that is what is the eligibility to work in Dubai. So if you are a BDS and you need to have around 3 years of work experience, 1 year of internship. After internship completion, there should be 2 more years of working experience. That is a minimum requirement for you to work as a general dentist in Dubai. Okay, so let's proceed and let me share my video with you. Okay, so just on Google, search DHA. When you search, you'll get something like dha.gov.in. That is the official website of Dubai Health Authority. Click on that. You'll be directed to a page like this. Click on login. We have to create a login ID first. Okay, so click on login. Click on register. Go down. You'll see something like register new account. Click on that. Just for demonstration purpose, I have created a dummy email account. So let me create that for you. In username, just use one word, trial. Okay, so email ID, okay, invalid username already exists. Okay, so we'll write something like try. Okay, must be 3 letters. Dummy. Okay. So there's so many user ID, username which has already been exists. So dummy LDFS. Okay. It's not there. So now email ID. Okay. Password. Just something. Just for Nationality, India. Your country code, I'm just using the UAE country code and just the dummy number which is being there. Now we have to click on the female they are saying, click on it, register. Okay, the password, they need something else. Okay, so register. Okay, still not done. Okay, needs an alphabet. Okay, done. Okay, so let's register. Okay, so they'll confirm. They send an authentication code to the registered email ID. So let me authenticate that. I'll stop sharing, I'll authenticate, and then I'll come back. Just a second. I'll just show you. So you'll get a message like this: DHA, new user, registration authentication code. There will be an authentication code here. You can just copy that. And then paste it over here. Okay. So the OTP is done. I have confirmed. Just a second. Okay, so here we have already registered now. Now we just have to access the e-services. Click on that. You'll get something like this. Here you have to go into individual home. This is for the corporate business. So we have to go into individual home. In individual home, you will get all these options. In these, you have to go into this S, health licensing option. S means Sharian. Okay, so just click on the health licensing service. For all these things, I have found that Firefox is a better platform rather than Chrome. I don't know, for some reason this website doesn't work so easily with Chrome and all, but it works smoothly with Firefox. So welcome to sharing. Now here, authorize, we have to authorize sharing so that they'll get our account information and everything. So just authorize them. Okay. Now here I'll just show you. You'll get something like this. Okay. So healthcare professional services. So in this, you have to go into the self-assessment tool. So let me first tell you what is a self-assessment. Self-assessment tool is a free tool. It doesn't cost anything. In that, we have to enter the college, the year of passing, our internship, and where were we working, and all those details. And it will tell us whether we are eligible for the DHA licensing or not. So it's very simple and straightforward. So we just have to go in there, fill the form which is there, and just get the result. We have to click on it. So I'll create a dummy profile like this, and then I'll just show you how to answer and what all questions are there. Okay, so let's share my screen. Okay, so here click on the self-assessment tool. Average is instant. So they have actually shown here the process also. Here in the step 1 process, after self-assessment tool, if all the requirements are met, then we have to go to the go towards the data flow, and CBT assessment means the DHA exam, the Prometric exam. So Prometric is a third party which conducts the exam for the DHA. Okay, so DHA exam and data flow. In second step is to get registered. If oral assessment is required for some nationalities, mostly for us Indians, it's not required. And in the step 3, we have to activate the professional license. Okay. So here, if for some reason in the self-assessment tool, the requirements are not met or you are not satisfied with the answer, there is a review registration eligibility also, where I think you have to go in person and then show it to them. So let's go ahead, and here it's totally free of cost it is. So just start the self-assessment. Okay. Don't forget, try to do this in the Firefox, because I have tried other things in Chrome. It is very slow. It doesn't, it hangs in at every question. So in Firefox, it's very smooth. I don't know for what reason. So let's go ahead. So what category you are applying for? Click on this, dentist, next. Click on the nationality, India. Next. Which country you have passed your BDS from? India. Next, which institution did you complete your basic degree from? I'll just write ABC College. Next, when did you complete your basic degree, dental degree? So I am just writing some random number, maybe 2015. Okay, 2015, January 1st. Okay, just a random number. And what title are you applying for? General dentist. If it's something else, you can write on specialist or consultant, resident. You can see the criteria which are there. So you can just go through the self-assessment tool 2 or 3 times so you'll understand how it is. I'm just doing it for general dentist right now. Have you completed your internship? Yes. Now the start and end date of your internship. So we have written there 2015, right? So we'll just write it over here. That 2015, January 2nd, we started, and the end date is 2016, January 1st. Do you have any related professional experience after post completing your education qualification? Yes. Now this is the work experience which you have to write. You can write 3-4 work experiences also. For purpose of just this, just our trial, I'm just writing one date. Like I started from only one work experience. You can write 2, 3, 4. How many work experience you have? 6 months, 1 month, 1 year, whatever it is. So here the start date, I will write it as 2016 it was, right? We have written 2016 Jan. So I'll just write it as 2016 Jan. From 3rd we started till today. Okay. Now, which country did you complete your professional experience from? India. Okay. Do you want, see here, do you want to add another experience? I don't want to add. If you want to add, you can add. So here you can add multiple work experiences. Okay. So no. So in short, they'll say, they'll give a gist of it, whatever we have written in that form. So I am from India. I'm applying for to become a general dentist. My basic degree is from ABC College, India. I graduated in 1/1/2015. I completed my internship from 2/1 to 1/1 and etc. etc. Okay. Now, if we can change here if we want to. So we can just click, if I want to change this, I can just click and then change it. Now we just click on get results. Now you'll see, yes, Just Try is the name which we have written. You are eligible for to become a registered healthcare professional as a general dentist. You have met the eligibility requirements in the UAE as general dentist based on the information which we have provided. Now after this, the next step is get registered. Okay. So after this comes the data flow and the DHA exam, both of which can go parallel. Always remember that. The data flow takes a lot of time. It takes around 1 to 2 months of time. And the exam is very fast, like it's upon us. We can choose, there are different dates which we can choose with different timings. So we just have to choose that and then give the exam. So both of these will go parallelly. I'll show you both in that stepwise how to go about it in my next video. Until then, thank you so much. Bye.